Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create YouTube logo from Canva. So for this you have to turn on a browser, and I have turned on the Google Chrome browser, and then you have to search for canva.com. And when you are in the canva.com, you will see this page here, and if you don't have any account, you have to simply create an account for free. So now you have to search for the YouTube logo from here in the search menu, and after clicking on the enter you can see there are lots of logo here, but just keep note that there are some crown option here in the some logos. That means you have to buy the premium subscription to use these logos, but those design that don't have this crown option, for example this, you can easily use it for free. So for example, I would like to choose this design, and then you have to click on this customize this template, and then you need to wait after when it is loading. So we are waiting for here. So here we have to clear, if you can edit whatever you want. So for example, if you want to change the text like GR, and you want to click it on the YR, and other text elements also, there are some text elements, and also you can add some new elements from here. You can also upload your whatever your file that you want. You can also use the tools here, and that's the all option. And here you can also change the color from text color. From here you can see the text color is here, you can easily change the text color. So yeah, that's how you can change the select a logo and edit it for free. So in my opinion, if you want to create your own customized logo, that means the logo haven't been used for by anyone, then you have to click on the open menu, then you have to click on the create, and then you have to search for the custom size from the left hand side. You have to click on it, and then you have to write 800 by 800, and which is the size of YouTube channel logo. Here you can see, so you have to click on it and then wait again until it get loaded. So here you can easily design whatever you want from here. For example, if you want to take the text from here, you can easily add the heading from here, for example XYZ. You can see you can easily add things from here. So in my opinion, there are one more option of AI. So you have to click on the search actions here in the element option here, then you have to click on the Canva AI, and then wait until it turns on. So here you can just write whatever the design you are wanting. Then I have create a social media post for a new coffee blend using warm colors and a clean font. Then you have to click on the submit, and then you have to wait for a few seconds until it gets started. For example, here you can see that he's generating some ideas. It will take some time to generate some design. Let's wait, and here you can see that design is processing, finalizing your design. And let's wait, and here you can see the design is already here. So here you can see the design, but for some reasons, if you are not getting what you are wanted, then what you need to do is search you need to enter the prompt again and make it more precise, so that the Canva can identify what are you wanting clearly. So that's how you can easily create an YouTube logo in Canva. Thank you very much for watching this video.